How to print or email your student certificates. Begin by logging into the Member Center. On the Member Center page, click the Roster Management option in the menu to the left. Next, click the Manage Roster option to the right of the class for which you would like to access student certificates. On the Student Roster page, proceed by selecting the checkboxes under the Email or Print columns to the right of the students' names to select the desired certificate delivery method for each student. Once satisfied with your selections, click the Submit button. If you choose to print any certificates, you must ensure that your browser pop-up blocker is disabled, as all certificates selected for printing will display in a single document within a new tab or window. Use the Print option in your browser to either print physical copies of the certificates or save them in PDF format to a location on your desktop. Depending on your printer settings and capabilities, it is generally recommended that you print in the landscape orientation mode for best results.